This activity is ratios. Ratios are just a particular type of fraction, okay? They're just a fraction that means something. Not that other fractions don't, but that's all a ratio is. It's just think about it as being a fraction. Here's an equivalent ratio, and it wants it as a simple fraction, or the fraction in the simplest form. The ratio it gives you, or the improper fraction it gives you, is 12 to 9, or 12 over 9, or 12 ninths. Okay? As a ratio, you'd say it was 12 to 9. How could that be used in the real world? It might be a recipe. It might say for every 12 bits of sand, you need 9 bits of cement. Okay? Or in Minecraft, for every 12 bits of cobblestone, you need 9 bits of iron for a particular tool or something. Okay? That's all a ratio is. And it just asks you to find that in the simplest form. So that the fraction is exactly the same. It could be 12 ninths, okay, so it already is a fraction. And we just need to simplify it. So we need to find a times table, a factor, that goes into both of these numbers. And I can see immediately that both of these numbers can be divided by 3. They're both in the 3 times table. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And so the answer, the simplest version of this ratio, is 4 to 3. So for every 4 pieces of cobblestone, you'd need 3 iron, and that would give you 12 and 9. It's the same, it's an equivalent fraction. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Write the ratio in its simplest form. So we're trying to simplify 16 eighths, or 16 to 8. Well, they can both be divided by 2, because they're both even. I always like to start with divide by 2. So that'll be 8 over 4. Still both even, so it'll be 4 over 2. Still both even, so it'll be 2 over 1. Okay, so 16 eighths is the same as 2 over 1, or 2 ones, 2 wholes. One more. Write the equivalent ratio of this one, 3 sixths, or 3 out of 6, or 3 over 6, or 3 to 6. So the simplest form of that one is going to be dividing them both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3 out of 6 is the same as 1 out of 2, or a half. I'm sure you figured that one out already. Okay, and that's all these are. It's just take the fraction, take the ratio, and simplify it. This one can be divided by 10, so it can go to being 4 over 3.